Hello friends, now we find the polar equation of the circle if circle passing through the pole. हम यहाँ पर उस सर्किल की इक्वेशन फाइंड करेंगे जो सर्किल पोल से पास होगा. So first we suppose that let O be the pole and OX be the initial line. First we suppose that O, this is the fixed point which is called pole, and OX, this is the fixed horizontal line, this is called initial line. Suppose that this point O is pole and OX be the initial line. We draw a circle which is passing through the pole. Suppose that this is the circle which is passing through the pole. Here we draw a circle. Here we draw a circle which is passing through the pole. Suppose that this is the circle and C be the center. Let C be the center of the circle which is passing through the pole. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ O फिक्स पॉइंट है, दिस इज पोल. OX fixed horizontal straight line, this is called OX, this is called initial line, and this is the circle whose center is C which is passing through the pole. Now we know that equation of circle, now we know that equation of circle whose center at r1 comma theta 1 is and radius a is r square minus 2r1 r cos theta minus theta 1 plus r1 square minus a square is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle whose center is at r1 comma theta 1 and the radius is a. ये उस सर्किल की पोलर इक्वेशन है जिसका सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट r1 comma theta 1 है और रेडियस a है. Here the required circle pass through the pole. Since the required circle passes through the pole, therefore we can see here r1, this becomes a. You can see here, if the circle, suppose that this is the circle and this is the center and this OX is initial line and this angle is theta 1 and this is r1 comma theta 1 and the radius is here a. So the equation of the circle is r square minus 2r1 r cos theta minus theta 1 plus r1 square minus a square equal to 0. ये उस सर्किल की इक्वेशन है जिसका सेंटर के कोऑर्डिनेट r1 कामा थीटा 1 और रेडियस a है. r स्क्वायर माइनस 2r1 r cos थीटा माइनस थीटा 1 प्लस r1 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल माइनस a स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. If this circle passes through the pole, this r1 it becomes equal to a. अगर ये सर्किल पोल से पास होगा तो ये r1 a के इक्वल हो जाएगा और जब r1 a के इक्वल होगा then above equation reduces to r square minus 2ar cos theta minus theta 1 plus a square minus a square is equal to 0. If this circle passing through the pole, then this radius vector r1 is equal to the radius of the circle. So in place of R1 we put, when we put R1 is equal to A, we get that equation of circle which is passing through the pole. अगर हम ये सर्किल पोल से पास होगा तो इसमें रेडियस वेक्टर R1 इस सर्किल की रेडियस के इक्वल हो जाएगा। उस केस में जब हम इस एबव इक्वेशन में R1 के प्लेस पे A सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो उस सर्किल की इक्वेशन फाइंड होगी जो कि पोल से पास होगा। So we can see that this A square is cancelled out and this can be written as R square minus 2AR cos theta minus theta 1 equal to 0. Now taking common R here, R minus 2A cos theta minus theta 1 equal to 0. We know that here R is the radius vector, so this can never be 0. So R is equal to 2A cos theta minus theta 1 equal to 0. So this is the equation of that circle which is passing through the pole. Thank you.